You may see just scrap, but we see something more.
The idea in business is not how much business you can get, it's what you can keep.
Lou started Acme Refining 35 years ago in a 2-truck garage on May Street in Chicago. A lot has changed since then. Lou's son Larry runs the business now, but one thing remains the same: our commitment to treating everyone, employees, neighbors, and especially customers, like family.
We try to provide as much revenue and be more competitive than our competition on the buy side, at the same time giving our potential customers and existing customers real savings.
This drive to do the right thing has earned Acme Refining ISO certification. Only 4% of scrap metal companies in North America are ISO certified. It means that you can rely on Acme to meet the highest standards in efficiency, safety, and cleanliness.
We've opened up different steel yards. We've allowed our salespeople to geographically go into territories that nobody in Chicago was ever willing to do. Therefore, we've grown the Acme family from South Bend, Indiana to Racine, Wisconsin. Our family keeps growing.
The greatest benefit to our customer of having multiple yards is that we're able to serve them better. We can get to the customer faster with a better response time.
Today, Acme Refining is a network of 6 yards that serve over 4,000 customers across 4 states. We have over 350 employees who operate a fleet of more than 150 trucks. We ship over 25,000 tons of scrap a month from our Joliet yard alone.
Our main focus is the non-ferrous in our plant. We've surpassed 2 million pounds per month in our aluminum alloys, as well as our stainless alloys. We are at the 1 million pound mark per month on our red metal alloys.
Joliet is Acme Refining's largest processing facility, housing 2 baling operations that process over 7,000 tons of bundles monthly. We also house a cement slab that allows us to contain and store any oils and coolants delivered by our customer base, making us a responsible and conscientious vendor.
Acme may have started with scrap metal, but we didn't stop there. You can rely on Acme as a single source for many environmentally sound services, such as document destruction, spent oil recycling, guaranteed leakless containers for contaminants, and more. Best of all, Acme can help you save up to 50% on your refuse costs, while you earn money for your used paper and cardboard.
One of the environmentally friendly things that the company does that I am very proud of, that we instituted about 3 years ago, is the use of biofuel in our fleet and our heavy equipment. Depending on the Chicago winter, we can use anywhere from 600 to 700 tires a year. However, we have a great recapping program that allows us to reduce that new tire purchase. We can usually save at least half or more in our recapping program.
In addition to paying special attention to the environment, we go the extra mile for our customers with Acme Care. We'll make sure you get all the cleanup and other services you need to meet EPA requirements.
One of our customers had difficulty with one of the machines. He's a puncher. He had a small discharge underneath that machine and great difficulty handling his material. The Acme Care program came in, designed a special piece of equipment for that machine, which made life a lot easier, a lot simpler, a lot safer.
If you have a problem with scrap removal, we come in with the solution. If we don't already have it, we will put our heads together with our customers and fabricate what you need.
From individual customers to whole communities, Acme's commitment is unfailing. Our company and employees contribute time, money, and energy to help others.
Now in this day and age, when you've got urban communities and recycling and the idea of how do you make urban settings more vital, a company like Acme comes in and shows how you take debris and stuff and make it a profitable position. And it takes part of the town's communities and areas and shows them what can be done to make things happen in their community in a positive sense.
Wherever we have been located at, we've had a tremendous relationship with the local community that we operate in.
For 3 generations, the big picture at Acme Refining has included concern for our customers, care for our communities, and a commitment to the environment. It's a family company, and you're invited to join the family.
People like to work for us, and without them, without that attitude, you could not grow, because you know their heart and soul, it's not just a paycheck. They like what they're doing.
To me, Acme Refining is successful.
I would say family.
Phenomenal.
Customer service.
Customer, employee, community.
Teamwork.
It's this entrepreneurial spirit. I love my job.